In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ignition coil boot kit on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located on the coil pack. Let's get started. We're going to get under this plastic cover and pull straight up. It'll snap out of place. Put this off to the side. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to open up the lock for this electrical connector. Pull it straight back. Push down on the top tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using a T40 Bit, we're going to remove the 2 bolts out of the top of the ignition coils. Remove the bolts. I'm going to grab the coil pack on either part where the bolts were, and we're going to pull straight up, removing it from the vehicle. Remove the grommet from the top. Work the boot off of the coil pack. Inside of it is the spring. Install the spring into the coil pack. Install the boot. Be sure it's fully seated. Take a look down inside and be sure the spring is in the middle. Install the grommet. Make sure it's fully seated and flat against the coil pack. And it's ready to go back onto the car. Install the ignition coils. Get everything lined up. Push straight down. You'll feel them kind of click into place. Install the bolts. Get these started by hand. Snug them down. Torque the ignition coil bolts to 71 inch-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Close the locking tab for the connector. Install the plastic trim piece. Line it up, push it straight down. It'll click into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.